In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x800270254. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to open your Microsoft Store, try to sign out your account, and once done, sign it in again. Check if the error has been fixed the moment you have signed in your account again, okay? And let's say if the error still persists, then you need to clear the cached as well as the junk files in your Microsoft Store. Press Windows key and R key together, and in this way, type for wsreset.exe, click on OK button, and then wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed, okay? However, if not, then let's proceed to the third and last solution. Here at the bottom search bar, type for PowerShell. Then wait until you can see a Windows PowerShell system. You need to run this one as an administrator. So please click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So Control C to copy, and then make a right click, and then click on the Enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to paste this one. Okay? So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done, I want you to restart the PC and your problem will be resolved. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.